So I've copied the complete equation or the combined equation or the mixed equation here for the unconditional three-level model. And now I want to talk about the ICCs because we can now calculate different ICCs. So we're talking about variance partitioning. And there are several of them. I'm going to start talking about some of them. So let's say we have in this examples, we have students in classrooms in schools. Let's take this as an example. Then we can look at how much of the total variance is at each of these levels. So the total variance gets calculated as the sigma squared plus the tau pi plus the tau beta. So adding the three variances that we have together. So if we want the first thing, let's say we want the proportion of variance at the school level. So how much of the outcome variance is attributable to the school level? So the school level is level 3, so that's your tau beta. So that would be your tau beta divided by the total variance. Now, secondly, I can say what's the proportion of variance at the classroom level? And that would then be the variance that's attributed to the classroom level, which is level 2, so the tau pi, divided by the total variance. And then we could also actually calculate the proportion of variance at the individual level. But the other thing that we can do is we can say, I want the proportion of variance that is not on the individual level. And that we get from adding the variance of the classroom level and the school level. Oh no, I need to erase this. So on the school level we have tau beta, on the classroom level we have tau pi, and we can divide this by the total variance again. So as you can see, you can combine pieces of this to get the proportional variance, and these are all different ICCs. So we can call the first one the ICC on the school level. We can call the second one the ICC on the classroom level, and then equivalent we can call the last one the ICC of classroom and school. But this way you can actually parcel these things out and you can start to study what might be going on at different levels.